If you're an agent looking to create a single property website for one of your upcoming listings, what you can do is you can go over to left side navigation bar in Total Expert under Web Marketing and select Single Property Sites. Now, when you get here, you're going to go ahead and press Create button at the top, and then it's going to populate a screen that looks just like this. Now, you are the co-marketing agent, and so you want to select yourself here. And when you do that, all of your listings should populate to the side right here. Now, say I want to create a site for this property. I'm going to go ahead and select that property and then name my site. Because this is a test, I'm just going to go ahead and press test and then save site. And then you're going to notice that this property website is going to start to populate. And you can do a few things. You can go ahead and choose your template. So you can change to different styles right here. So say I want to do stylish template, I can do that. I also have the option to add my branding and my lender partner's branding. So say on this one, I just want to have my branding on it. I'm going to go ahead and press add. That's one thing you want to make sure is that you add yourself, and then your branding will automatically populate right here on the property website. Now, a few other things you can do when you press this next button, you can go ahead and change some things. You can look at the text, you can change the background image and things like that, but you have the option to customize it. And then when I press next, I'm going to go ahead and save this site once I'm done. And once that site is saved, I can actually visit the site here, and you're going to notice now you have a link, a live link that shows your property website. So you can share that out on social media. And again, you can look at your property website like this. Now, one really cool thing to notice is that this site actually acts as a lead capture form. So when someone goes into the site, they can go ahead and say, hey, I am interested in this home. They can plug their name, their email, their phone into this form. And then what'll happen is you will get notified and it will become a new contact in Total Expert. So every time someone fills out a property form, that contact will be filtered into Total Expert so that you then are notified and you can take action from this. And then again, once you have this link ready to go and you like your single property website, you can also go ahead and select your Facebook, your LinkedIn. You can go ahead and post this to your social media and promote the website that way. So that is how you would create a single property website in an agent account.